Imagine enjoying fresh, crisp salads with ease. Introducing the ultimate salad spinner, designed for effortless preparation. This innovative tool transforms washing greens into a quick and simple process. What makes it special? First, its smooth spinning mechanism dries salad greens perfectly. Second, the large bowl doubles as a serving dish. Finally, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Using it is a breeze. Simply fill the bowl with your favorite greens, pump the handle, and watch it spin. In seconds, you'll have beautifully dried lettuce ready to serve. Versatility is key. Use it to rinse and dry herbs, berries, or even marinate veggies. It's perfect for every kitchen task. Don't just take our word for it. Over 3,000 customers say it works well. Users rave about its performance and durability. One customer states, "The spinner mechanism is smooth and effortless." Remember, this spinner doesn't just save time, it enriches your meals with fresh produce. It's a must-have for health-conscious cooks. Experience the convenience of our salad spinner today. Try it out and elevate your salad game.